Hello, I'm Timothy Lyons, founder and CEO of Viritech. In February, we outlined our ambitious plans to become the world's leading developer of hydrogen powertrain solutions for automotive, aerospace, marine and distributed power. We also outlined our first year's goals. To build a first hydrogen test vehicle, to continue developing the design for the Apricali hypercar, to move our patent-pending design for composite pressure vessels, now trademarked Graph Pro, towards production readiness, and lastly, but importantly, to accelerate development of our vehicle control systems, now trademarked Trivolt. So this is our first test vehicle. We call it the Mule, and it's a vital tool in our product development strategy, serving as the test bed for our cutting-edge hydrogen powertrain technologies.
Hi, I'm Matt Fawkes, and this is Mule 1, the first of 3 research vehicles we will construct over the coming months. Its purpose is primarily as a systems development vehicle, to allow our vehicle control team to research, test and develop aspects of Trivolt, our energy management system.
It has an energy store, a fuel cell, and has been converted to a 150 kilowatt electric drivetrain. The fuel cell generates electricity on vehicle, and as our Trivolt development program moves forward, this electrical energy will be used to power the vehicle directly. Empirical testing is very much part of Viritech's culture. Beyond its immediate role in developing aspects of the powertrain for Apricali, this Mule will be used for years to come in the ongoing development of Trivolt, our groundbreaking hydrogen powertrain control system.
And excitingly, we plan to begin building an HGV Mule in 2022 as we turn our attention to heavy transport, and a light aircraft Mule in mid-2022 to demonstrate the relevance of our powertrains for aviation, including the hugely exciting market opportunity for eVTOLs. At the heart of our hydrogen powertrain solutions sits some very advanced electronic engineering.
It's here that vehicle control systems and their associated hardware are designed, developed and manufactured.
To this end, Viritech's electronics department forms the heart of our development process. It's here that vehicle control systems and their associated hardware is designed, developed and manufactured. Trivolt, our game-changing energy management system for hydrogen vehicles, which reduces vehicle mass, lithium consumption and improves performance, requires unique control strategies and hardware to implement, which is developed here. Trivolt is applicable to passenger vehicles, high-performance road vehicles, such as the Apricali, and heavy goods vehicles, amongst many other applications where mass is critical in the usefulness and performance of the vehicle.
Trivolt is central to our business and expected to become a growing source of license revenues in the years to come. With our focus on creating licensable IP, we do a lot of development work in-house. A good example of this are PCBs, which we design and build in-house for all our electronics prototyping and for low-volume production runs for some of our technical partners.
We're also designing and building our own energy stores, which form a key component of Trivolt. This lithium battery cell forms the basis of the Apricali pack, which can deploy over 300 kilowatts of energy whilst weighing just 100 kilos.
Trivolt systems allow massive reductions in the consumption of lithium when compared to battery-only applications. As an example, the battery-powered version of the Ford F-150 pickup truck in the US has a lithium battery weighing 850 kilograms. A Viritech hydrogen powertrain, delivering the same overall power and performance, would have a lithium battery weighing just 97 kilograms.
Just think of the savings that delivers in reducing the use of scarce resources. Over the next 12 months, we will complete development of the Apricali powertrain, from which will flow a range of hydrogen powertrain solutions for automotive, aerospace and the marine industry.
We're making extremely encouraging progress with OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, with a number of MOUs on the horizon, giving us the confidence to accelerate our development pipeline. To help drive this accelerated development program, we plan an interim capital raise for up to £3 million.
As you can see, it's a really exciting time at Viritech, and we're looking forward to you being part of our journey.